Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can add Google search bar on your iPhone home screen. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply add widget on your iPhone, for which you can long press on the blank screen of your home page. And after doing that, here you can see the option of edit on the top left corner right here. If you tap on this button just like this, here you can get the option of add widget. Tap on add widget. So after doing that, if you scroll down here, you can see the option of Gemini. So if you want to add the Gemini search button, you can do that. But if you want the Google particular, here you can again scroll down and you can see all of the applications of your phone. And you can now scroll down until you find Google. Here you can get the Google option. Tap on Google. And after doing that, here you can see there are three different widgets that you can choose from. If you swipe to left, here you can see this is another widget. Again, swipe to left and here you can get the top searches. But if you swipe on right again, here you can see this is the very typical search bar that we are looking for. So you can simply just tap on add widget and here you can see now the Google's search bar has successfully been added to our home page. So you can simply just tap on the done option on the top right corner right here. We have now successfully added Google search bar on our iPhone home screen. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.